So the Turkish Get Up, one of the most quintessential, like fundamental kettlebell moves that most people do wrong. So most important part is the setup. So in order to prevent, rotator cuff impingement, when we're getting up a bell, you're gonna rotate onto your side like this and hook, let me slide back just a tiny bit. You're just gonna hook the bell with this hand, but opposite arm is gonna come over. So I'm in this strong, stable position here. I'm gonna straighten the top leg, press the bell, get it overhead. So I'm letting the weight push my shoulder into the socket. I'm gonna stabilize out 45 degrees with my opposite hand and foot. So I got the bell in my left hand, arm and foot on my right side are out 45 degrees. My first motion, I'm gonna drive up, drive the belt straight up, seated position, hips up, threading the needle back. I'm gonna reposition my legs, so I'm gonna pivot my right leg, come into that lunge position, slowly reverse, bring it down, pivot, post, stabilize with my right arm, thread the needle through, seated position, onto my elbow, back down. Set the weight down. So you're gonna hook it with that opposite thumb, lower the weight back onto the side. So now I'm gonna show you from the front with my other arm. So I'm gonna get the bell up, slide it over. So again, just one more time, take a look from the front. I'm gonna come over onto my side, kind of in this fetal position, opposite hand, hooking over behind my right palm. Top leg is gonna extend. So, out 45 degrees. I'm not even death gripping it, just nice solid grip. I'm gonna drive it straight up. Extending through my left arm, that's posted. Seated position, driving my hips, threading the needle, up, reposition, pivot, lunge overhead. Reverse, pivot, side flex, post, thread the needle, reposition my hand. See that slight movement? Now I come back down onto my elbow, hook with that thumb, right back to the start position. So there's a lot of steps. Take your time learning it. I'll make a more advanced video kind of breaking down all the details, but basic goal, keep the bell center of mass all the way up.